I need 1 Glock, 2 grams, residue all on my hands, 3 woods, 4 bands. Come and call, girl, what you saying? 3 them niggas, we the clan. Decent niggas, low-key fans. Need to start a OnlyFans, cause I see pussies on the ground. I'm that young, dumb nigga, chasing bands, I need the guap. Check my status, they no shot coming correct, get out your top. Baby girl got baggage, say I'm young, but I got older guap. In the street, she classy, but get nasty when I load the drop. My 3L's so sassy, I'm gon' do that. They want double BLs, can't grab it, let me scoot back. This Mr. Mcgee-1's in traffic and I'm flew back. Bro, them ARP shells do damage when they blow back. I'm that same young nigga, but I'm colder. Say a spine tingle when I rub against her shoulder. I make mine triple and my wolf pack gon' hold me. I get blinded, JG asking questions I don't know. I don't know, I don't know. Ayy, I don't know. Can't give up information, that's not how the game go. And they gon' have to take me, guess I'm not the same, no. Give you congratulations, I don't want the fame, bro. I need 5 cribs, they know what it is. 6 shooters at the spot, don't get knocked off when it get real. 7 ain't too much, it's safe perfecting shots when you get killed. 808 be booming, killing music, ringing in my ears. I'm just that young turned nigga. I like smoking out and counting all these blue figures. Demon in my eyes, but I'm alright, just keep gripping. Turn me up and rise, I feel alive, I keep tripping. I just keep tripping, can feel the heat kicking. Shot to 17 G double I keep getting it. She say that I'm mean, but I was born the streets villain. I say they the truth, but we know they gon' keep missing. I need 1 Glock, 2